Hello now, how you guys doing? Now your boy Dio. Welcome to 101 TV. This week, Liverpool don't play against Atlanta. Very tight game. When I mean tight, I dey joke. Now sarcastic statement I dey make. Now 5-1 we charge them, we pepper them, scatter everywhere. My boy Jota don't dey perform. 3 goals, hat trick. You no go believe. I dey watch the game like I say, yeah. I just dey shout. Even Salah and Mane put some very sweet goal. That in second goal, just control am. Wow. God. If I feel play ball now me go there. Anyway, Jota, sweet goals, just they put them inside. Now 3 goals where you don't knock inside though. And right now, Jota play the position where Firmino supposed play. If you be Liverpool fan, you supposed to know Roberto Firmino, one of the people who help us win the Champions League for 2019. Firmino don't celebrate the 29th of birthday last for October. 29-year-old, the guy don't the old, he don't the age up, and right now, Jota will come from Wolves, young blood, very fresh, very young boy, of the age of 23, he don't play better ball, and right now, club will just look into boys, Jota, Firmino, who I go pick? And right now, Firmino don't even play anything well. I know they play any good football. No, they make any goals. No, they make any assists. The contribution for it himself. I know they see him. Everything they happen now, Firmino. He they sleep. Maybe person slap him for it. Maybe don't they play better football. Because I don't understand what's they happen right now. See now in period don't the end. Because right now in contract we don't run out very soon. And people don't they talk say buy him, fit buy him, all these other things fit buy him. But who go even buy him when you know they even perform anything? And now Jota they put in work back to back. Another mad as hat-trick. Sorry, my people. Another mad hat-trick against Atlanta. And right now, Jota just is so excited for this boy. So excited. This guy now Portuguese legend right now. He don't they perform where Ronaldo no dey there. The last time we they go for international friendly where Ronaldo no dey, he scored 2 goals. Better boy. And the guy just they perform for Liverpool. Hat-trick. Jota. You never walk alone. We there for you. But anyways, now how you see him? What do you think? Say you think say Firmino will still enter the squad? Or say you think say Firmino will actually pick up form, may give club some trials? Or what do you even think about Jota really? You think say Jota could just know he just the start right now if he flop? Or you think say Jota go build himself up to become one of the Liverpool greats? I beg me I know for the comment section. Just put them there. Tell everybody what you think. And remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. May everybody know. Up Liverpool! Anyways, now I go see you guys later. And your boys Dio signing out. Peace.